Boy, I sure could go for some fried chicken right now.
I think I saw a KFC earlier in Gensokyo. One of those really old ones from decades ago.
Oh yeah, back when the black specks was ground pepper instead of cockroach droppings. I'm going to call them right now. Hi KFC, I'd like to order a large bucket of original recipe chicken, coleslaw, and...
Is this a joke? You called Kuteka no Atari.
Oh, is that a new chicken franchise?
What makes you think this is a chicken restaurant from that?
It's in the name, Niwatari. That roughly translates to delicious fried chicken, right?
You just called the goddess of chickens.
Wow, that's a pretty good slogan. Props to the marketing department for thinking of that one. Hello? Hello?